Hi everyone, how are you? I hope everybody fine. Today we will see the topic comparison between AC transmission line and DC transmission line. Okay, first we will see the definition. AC transmission line. The AC transmission line transmits the alternating current. Coming to DC transmission line, the DC transmission line is used for transmitting the direct current. In case of AC transmission line, the number of conductors are 3. So 3 conductors have been used in AC transmission line for R phase, Y phase, B phase. But in the case of DC transmission line, only 2 wires have been utilized. The number of conductors are 2 only. So positive and the negative. Okay, in case of AC transmission line, inductance and surges. In AC transmission line, having the inductance values and the surges. But in case of DC transmission line, there are no inductance and surges. Next, in AC transmission line, about voltage drop. In AC transmission line, high voltage drop is occurred. In DC transmission line, low voltage drop will be occurred. So next, in AC transmission line, the skin effect will occur. But in case of DC transmission line, there is no skin effect. That is, the skin effect is absent in case of DC transmission line. In AC transmission line, need of insulation. So in AC transmission line, underground cables, we required more insulation. In DC wire, we have less insulation. In AC transmission line, having interference. In DC lines, there is no interference. In AC transmission line, the corona losses are occurred. But in case of DC transmission line, there is no corona losses. In case of AC transmission line, dielectric losses are having. In case of DC transmission line, there are no dielectric losses. So in AC transmission line, the synchronizing and stability problems are not difficulties. In case of DC transmission line, that is synchronizing and stability problems will difficult. Okay, so more. So AC transmission line having more cost. In DC transmission line having cheaper cost than compared to the AC transmission line. So in AC transmission line, the length of conductors are small. In DC transmission line, the length of conductors are more. You can see HVDC transmission lines. In case of AC transmission line, repairing and maintenance is easy and inexpensive in case of AC transmission line. But in case of DC transmission line, okay, the repairing and maintenance are difficult and expensive. So in case of AC transmission line, the transformers are required. In case of DC transmission line, there are not required transformers. So this is about comparison between AC and DC transmission lines. Thank you.